Go for it.
1, 2, 3. I see it loops.
So a quick holiday build with my sons, this wooden trebuchet model. We use the glue provided. There's a little red cap in there you need to remove in order to get the glue to dispense. The hardest part of the build is cutting this dowel, which they say to score and snap. That didn't work for me. I ended up using a hobby saw. I also improvised some clamps like this to hold the frame together during construction. But otherwise, this was a pretty simple build of a fairly large model. They provided a ball of modeling clay to use as the projectile, which worked great, did not stain the ceiling. This bucket on the back is where the counterweight material goes in order to make the trebuchet operate. This is what I used, 28-45 cartridges, but whatever you use, 22 ounces. You see this joint here, you need to really seal this if you're going to put sand in the counterweight box. Overall, a great little model.
Go for it.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
I see it loops.